Hello there. In this short lesson, we'll be showing you how to emphasize and enhance the main beat of your music with sound effects, specifically by using the cymbal swell and the drum roll. Let's begin. This sound effect is called cymbal swell, and this is what it sounds like. And this is the drum roll. And here is the combination of both. We use this combo in our introductory course that focuses exclusively on the art of wedding trailers. The combination of both is a great way to accent a flutter cut effect. Have a look at it. Welcome to our introductory course that focuses exclusively on the art of wedding trailers. Hey there, my name is Dennis, and I would love if you could leave a comment and tell us what you think of this short lesson on how to use sound effects to emphasize the main beat of the music. Now the question is, how would you use it? Goodbye for now.